flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. So we just got up right now. We're in Texas. We're on family vacation and we have some things planned for the kids. Say hey.
Hey.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. So we have some things planned for the kids. First we need to go grocery shopping. So me and my sister, I guess. Sorry, sleep. We're gonna go grocery shopping today. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all see me do that. So whatever we have planned today, you guys will see. So in the meantime, just stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so we got the bed made up. It's a nice bed. I like this bed in my sister's room. So I'm about to straighten up some more. We just got stuff everywhere. So we're about to straighten up, and I'm just gonna finish getting dressed, and then we're gonna go grocery shopping. Okay, y'all, so we were back from the store. I'm not doing the haul because it's too much going on, but I'm gonna show y'all like an overview of what I got. Okay, so right here, we just picked up this 3-in-1 little slide with a pull. Also needed a water hose. And then on this bar, whatever you're going to call it, it's just an overview of what we got. We picked up a lot of snacks because there is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kids in this house this summer. Well, for part of the summer. So yeah, got like some green beans, some sugar, some Slim Jims. I see some egg noodles, some pasta sauce, marinara sauce, I think. This honey cornbread Krusties is so good. My sister turned me on to that. So yeah, we have hot dog buns, hamburger buns, some Zatarain's dirty rice mix. That stuff is so good. More cornbread mix, noodles, and over here it's bone broth and chicken broth, I think, and then like Old Bay seasonings and some more fish fry stuff. Zatarain's. We have bread, strawberry shortcake thing, some more juice, Zero Coke, and Celsius. These things are so good. We have some muffins. That is blueberry and banana nut bread, more juice, some Uncrustables, cookies. Over here we have some cupcakes. We have ice cream, more snacks, more juice, some sweet tea, and just, that's it. Okay, y'all, so we are at BJ's Brewhouse. About to get us something to eat. I'm gonna let y'all see the menu when I get in and see what all we ordered. what y'all got? I got ribs, broccoli, mashed potatoes. What's this?
Pork chop. Mandarin glazed pork chop with white cheddar, mashed potatoes.
What you got now? Okay, chicken tips. Hamburger, fries.
Chicken Alfredo.
No, what you got?
Zaya, what you got?
What you got, Mom?
You got little burgers and
Philly steak. What you got, Mama?
What you got?
chicken tenders.
Macaroni. Okay. Hi guys, so this is me editing this vlog, and as I was editing, I didn't realize I didn't do an outro. So here's my outro. I'm about to end it right here. I'm actually in bed. We didn't do much today. We just went grocery shopping, and then I didn't vlog that, but we went to BJ's Brewhouse, which y'all saw. And I did like an overview of what we got from the store, but yeah. But I've been doing that lately, but it was just too much going on that day, y'all. We are in Texas. It was just too much going on today, and I forgot to end the video. So this is me ending the video for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel because it's free. Also, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. And as always, I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.